Okay, let's talk about the Indian perspective. And yes, Trump is looking out for America. We're looking out for India, as we should. Now, in a world like that, what happens? What happens to the economy? What happens to certain sectors? And what happens to the equities? What do you think is the perspective on Indian equities right now, which seems very bothered with what's happening globally, but it has that underlying strength?
I think, we have developed now a third pocket of equity investors, which is the portfolio managers and AIF. So while we keep reporting mutual fund and FIs, now you see a diverse movement, or even on days when the FIs are selling, even the DIs are not buying, the market is showing resilience. And I think the third big pocket, which is coming up, the portfolio managers and AIF, is becoming a huge pillar for investment in the country, and money is still pouring in. So on a demand supply front, I think demand for equity is going up and will further go up if RBI pursues the path of interest rate reduction, because your returns on savings and fixed deposits are going to go down. You're going to look at alternate. So equity markets are resilient. They have got enormous demand potential. They face only one drawback, that you will see in the next 1 to 2 years a lot of allocation going to metals. People have missed out the big metal rally which has taken place, gold and silver. Silver is still coming off for the tracks at this point. So I think you will see a large amount of allocation of capital to those two precious metals. But having said that, I think we have a resilient market. Just remember, Tamanna, that our market levels are same exactly at the time when the war broke out between Israel and Iran. That says a lot for the market. It can say also for the stupidity of the market, that you're not recognizing the reality. Our valuations are up, oil prices are up. Globally, the markets are a little bit disarray, but our valuations remain flat where they are. So to that extent, you have to take pointers to say, take some profit off the table, just like all the institutional investors are doing, promoters are doing. Retail investors who are not taking profit from some of the stocks they hold, I think will tend to rule them in the next 12 to 18 months.